we make different kinds of tech videos, including videos about different kinds of earphones, headphones, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers. We also make videos about credit cards and debit cards. So if you are interested, you can check out all those videos in our channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, you should definitely consider subscribing. We also have a Hindi channel, and if you end up liking this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now let's begin. So here's the box packaging of the Plextone G20, as you can see. Now let's cut the plastic wrap open. So here's the main box package, which is made of paper. Paper packaging is actually good for the environment. Some information and specifications are mentioned. If you want, you can pause the video and check it out. Anyways, let's open the paper box and get the contents out of the box. So there is a plastic tray inside the box, and first we have the earphones themselves, and below this plastic tray there are some other stuff which we will check out later. First, let's check out the earphones. Initially they look and feel very well, but we will check everything out in details, so keep watching. Now let's take a look at the remaining contents of the box. At first we have this splitter or adapter for the 3.5mm jack. With this splitter you can connect these earphones to the PCs or laptops, which have two separate ports for audio out and microphone in. We also have a 3.5mm female to male audio extension cable, and I believe this extension cable itself is 3 feet long, so you will get a total range of 7 feet if you have connected the extension cable. It also comes with extra pair of ear tips of different kinds and different sizes. There is also a pair of wingtips or ear hooks, whatever you wanna call them, and there is a clip as well to attach the cable with your shirt collar or t-shirt or whatever. You can also attach the wingtips if you want. And lastly, there is a warranty card, and there is another product instruction manual, which of course we are not going to read. The earphones themselves are built very well. They are made of metal, and that definitely looks premium. The connectors are made very well, and they seem to be durable for the long run. And these earphones are magnetic. Connect the magnets and put them like this. They will just hang around there like this. I like the design of the ear tips. They look very stylish. They are made of the same color combination that you can find on this earphone. The outer layer is made of some kind of gray translucent color, and the inner part, the inner tube, is made of the same neon green color, which is the dominant color of this earphone. The ear tips feel very soft and comfortable during longer usage scenarios. With the Plextone G20, you get flat cables. This cable is of course tangle free, and some kind of rubberized material has been used to manufacture these cables. The quality seems to be very good, and it seems durable. Only I think the cable length could have been a little longer, maybe 6 inches longer, maybe. The 3.5mm jack is not gold plated, but it is 90-degree angled, which is of course a good thing. Again, here as well, the quality seems to be very good, and it has a joint that is protected by this flexible kind of rubbery thing, which will protect the cable for long-term usage. Sometimes we end up breaking our earphone cables from this joint or from this connector, but this thing is going to provide it lots of strength for long-term usage. The microphone is alright, nothing fancy about the microphone. I made some calls with it and there were no problems, and no one complained about the audio from my end, so the microphone does its job very well. But I would have really liked the microphone to be a little towards the upper side, maybe here in this position maybe, but it gets the job done. The microphone module has a button which offers a good tactile feedback. This button can be used for all the usual stuff. For example, you can accept a call or disconnect a call, and you can play or pause the music. You can double tap it to skip to the next track when playing a music or video. You can long press the button to activate the virtual assistant of your phone. This module also comes with a volume control, and this is first time I am using an earphone which comes with a slider volume control. You can slide towards the bottom or the negative side to decrease the volume, and you can slide towards the up or the positive sign to increase the volume. Of course, your phone or computer have their volume controls, but if you have separate independent volume control, it can be very handy in different situations. For example, if you need to quickly mute the audio, you can just quickly slide it all the way down and the sound will be muted instantly. There you have it. The wingtips or the ear hooks, whatever you wanna call them, they are a little too soft. They do not provide very strong grip, but they do get the job done. They could have been better for lighter earphones, but this earphone is made of metal, so a little on the heavier side. If you are going to play PUBG or Asphalt on your smartphone, then you can work with this jack, this 3.5mm jack, but most of the desktops, PCs still use separate jacks for microphone and earphones. So it comes with a splitter which will separate the channels for microphone and earphones. So you can use these earphones with that splitter with your PC or any other device that has two separate channels for microphone and earphones. It also comes with a good quality 3.5mm extender cable, so you can use that cable to extend the range of these earphones. Talking about the sound quality, I like the overall sound signature. Of course, it is a little bass heavy, that means the low ends are high, but the high ends and the vocals are well tuned for games, so you will enjoy it with games. And it also sounds very good in movies, and listening to music is also very good because most of the people nowadays like bass heavy sound signature, and in this case it is bass heavy but the high ends and the vocals are well tuned. I would give it 8 out of 10 for the overall sound quality and 9 out of 10 for bass. Its high bass and the well tuned sound signature makes the G20 sound a lot better in games compared to the other earphones under 1500 rupees. The price as of now is 1199 rupees, almost 1200 rupees. That means $17 US. It is available in multiple colors, in green, in red, and I believe it is also available in black. Whatever colors are available, I will put them on screen, and I will also put the link to the Plextone G20 in the video description and in the top comment. So if you want to buy this or just check it out, please check out the link in the video description and in the top comment. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with the cons. The wingtips do not provide good grip. These earphones are a little angled, so even if you are not using the wingtips, they will not fall off your ears if you are not doing too much movements. The default cable length is a bit short. I would have definitely liked a little bit longer cable. Anyways, that is not a deal breaker. We are getting lots of accessories and that is a good thing. It also comes under a pro. Now let's talk about the other pros. I like the build quality. The main earphones are made of metal, which is definitely a good thing. The other materials used and the joint, the connectors seem to be of durable quality and they should last a long time. The inclusion of this volume slider is definitely a nice thing. Also, it looks stylish, it looks trendy, and it will definitely appeal to the gamers. And last but not the least, the earphones come with magnets. So you can do this in your free time maybe, or you can do this when you are not using the earphones. You can keep it like this and they will not fall off. So guys, what do you do when you like something on the internet? So there's the like button. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It's free. Hit the bell icon and turn on notifications for the future videos. If you have any query or suggestion, please post it in the comment section below. So that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.